It was a rainy day in Seattle, and there I was, jammed in a conference room atop the Space Needle, having a lively conversation with managers regarding their relationship with HR. One of the attendees shouted, "They're not doing their job!" And even though, in his situation, this was probably a resolvable misunderstanding, what was more concerning to me was the tone of his comment. It was adversarial. It was clear, at least from his experience, that he did not have a helpful, collaborative relationship with his HR department. And I'm sad to say, experiencing this was not the first time. During my years conducting public seminars throughout North America, these sentiments were more common than not, and frustrating to hear as a fellow HR professional. So, let me ask you, how are you and your department seen by the managers? Are you seen as a close partner, a confidant, an advisor, or as a paper pusher that just gets in the way of getting the real work done? Handling employee problems is a prime opportunity to position yourself as that close partner and advisor. And it's in the way you do it that will make all the difference. This can be successfully accomplished with one simple, powerful tip: collaboratively communicate. Collaborative communication is a philosophy and an approach that seeks to show that, related to the employee problem, there is a care and understanding regarding the needs of the manager and his or her team. And it's your goal to support them in any way you can. Now, there are 3 ways you can collaboratively communicate with managers. First is you ask, are there any special needs that this particular incident requires? Coupled with that, you ask, is there any way we can leverage this to improve overall team performance? Second, you share, meaning you share information based on its appropriateness when handling the incident, and in a timely manner, so that the manager feels informed as he or she stays throughout the process. And third, you offer. This means you provide follow-up activities for coaching that shows a united, cooperative response to help the employee grow past the incident. These specific actions of ask, share, offer demonstrate an advisory, supportive role that fosters a bond of mutual trust and respectful cooperation with the manager while handling the employee problem. I was recently involved in a situation where a team lead was disciplined for what was perceived as bullying behavior. My client, who is committed to the collaborative communication philosophy, worked with the manager to not only set up a coaching initiative for the team lead, but also set up a series of team roundtables, which I facilitated, to work through the damage caused by the behavior. This created peer accountability for the lead to change. But even more, it also restored a sense of health and unity to the team. The results? The entire team's performance dramatically improved. And needless to say, the manager was very grateful for the help, support, and leadership of my HR client. And I'm confident that many companies miss opportunities like this because their HR departments don't see beyond the write-up. If you're in that camp, don't let any opportunity be wasted. So, add value beyond the administrative write-up. Instead, ask, share, and offer.